Man, this test is difficult. Can't believe it's worth 98% of my grade.
Back to form! Back to form!
Hey, get back here!
Yeah! Back to form!
Math Goblin, smartest goblin alive.
And I told him, you can't just make as much product as you want. It's just not gonna work out because the cost is all the resources. Bro thought business was just a linear equation.
Yo, is that you, Math Goblin?
I'll get back to you, man. Math Goblin is past life. Because today, I am Business Tycoon Goblin.
Hey, I'm new here. Can you teach me how to run this business?
I did like how you solved that first problem on that one test. You got promise, kid. I'll tell you that much. I'll teach you how we do things here in this business.
You see here, boy, it's all about all the product. X equals the amount of product we sell, and Y equals the amount of money we make. And here it's quadratic. So first we have to do negative b over 2a. Since x right here, x is negative, we have positive 1 over negative 2. Negative 2 right here is just 1 multiplied by 2, but negative 1 multiplied by 2. Then we solve for y with x in the equation, which gets us to 2 1/4. This gives us the maximum of the graph. And then we go and we factor this to get our x-intercepts. We got these two factors, which means that x equals 1 and x equals negative 2. Then we have y, and then we need to solve for one more point to make sure we have a strong graph. So we solve for 0, which is fairly simple, and then it's identical it's parallel to the other side, so we don't have to solve for 2 more points to get 5 points. We only need to solve for 1 more. This is the graph that we can tell, and then we have to learn how to read this graph. You see, at the top over here, this is how much we're selling, and if we sell a negative amount of this, we get more product. So the more we sell, the less beneficial it is for us. So we start out with more money than what we have, which means that we should never sell more than one of the product, because then we will go into algebra debt, and algebra debt is evil. After learning the secrets of business from the Math Goblin, the intern becomes the new business tycoon and fires the Math Goblin, who is forced to live on the streets with no income whatsoever.
Can you help me? I need some algebra, please! Oh!
Hey, Math Goblin, is that you?
No. Now I refer to myself as Homeless Goblin because you fired me for my job.
Damn, that's crazy.
But would you be willing to pay for my next serving of bread? I'm very hungry.
I mean, sure, man, but you're in algebra debt now.
No, I'm in infinite algebra debt now. No, he's tortured me my entire life. You know what I'm going to do to him? I'm going to kill him. That's what I'm going to do.
The situation. Let me give you the down low how things gonna go down. So Math Goblin, he knows he's 14 feet up in the air. He knows he's right about here. Math Goblin also knows he only throws directly down, so he's at the vertex. He's not at this y-intercept right here. He's not going to try to throw up. So he's gonna try to throw it down right at this the business tycoon who's right there. So all he's got to do is quickly solve this in his mental math right now, and then he's got to unlock solve for 0. So we just gotta say, hey, our boy Y right here is actually 0. So 0 equals x equals 3 squared plus 14. Then you have plus 14 equals negative. Oh yeah, negative 14, sorry. My bad. Leaving the process right now though. And then you root both sides. Divide by negative, so you have 14, and then you have root 14 equals 3. And then you go root 14 plus 3 equals x. So that is where our guy is that we gotta nail down. Plus or minus. And we don't want the negative, we want the positive. So it has to be 3 plus 14, root 14. And that is how far we gotta throw out. That is how far Math Goblin has to throw. And I'll just let you get back to the action.
My mother always taught me how to calculate slope-intercept form on quadratic graphic. I can't. I'm gonna hit him with this thing, and it's gonna be so great. He's gonna definitely fall asleep for a long time.